In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create portfolios in the TradingView. Let's start right from the TradingView Home tab. At the top of the page, look for the main menu and click on Products. From the drop-down, select Portfolios. This takes you to your Portfolio Hub, where you'll see a list of any portfolios you've already created. If this is your first time here, the list may be empty, and that's perfectly fine. You're in the right place. To make a new portfolio, click Create. This opens the setup screen where you'll define the basics. First, choose the currency. Pick the currency you plan to track your results in, typically the one you trade or report in, so your returns, balances, and performance all make sense at a glance. Next, select a benchmark. The benchmark is what your portfolio will be compared against, giving you context for performance. Choose a market index or reference that aligns with your strategy, whether that's a broad market index or something region-specific. You'll also see other preferences you can tailor to your needs. Take a moment to give your portfolio a clear name so you can recognize it easily later. When you're happy with the settings, confirm to create your portfolio. Once the portfolio is created, you can begin entering transactions. This is where your tracking becomes meaningful. Add your buys and sells, along with the date, the ticker or symbol, the quantity, and the price you paid or received. Don't forget to include any fees or commissions if you have them. Capturing costs makes your performance more accurate. If you've been trading prior to creating this portfolio, you can backfill those transactions with their original dates to build a complete history. You can also record other cash movements like deposits or withdrawals, and include dividends when applicable, so your total return reflects the full picture. As you add entries, you'll see positions, totals, and performance update automatically, giving you a real-time view of how you're doing relative to your chosen benchmark. If you notice anything off, review your transaction details for typos in quantity, price, or date. Accurate inputs are key to reliable analytics. Many users find it helpful to update transactions soon after trades to keep everything tidy and consistent. And that's it. To recap, from the Home tab, go to Products, choose Portfolios, click Create, set your currency and benchmark, and then enter your transactions. With these steps, you'll have a clean, trackable portfolio in TradingView that helps you monitor performance clearly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.